Good morning everyone. It is a spectacular start to the day here. We've got jobs starting to roll in and we've got a really packed schedule to get through. So let's have a quick whip around the workshop and I'll show you what the rest of the team are into today. Over here we've got a solar panel setup going on. There's about 4 panels going on one of the vans there. This is all the brackets ready to be fitted up. Over here we've got this cool older high-ace unit in our special vehicles fit out area. What's happening here is there's a new floor being put in. This has got a click together type flooring, domestic type stuff. It's got a 240 volt system being fitted out. All the ceiling's been lined. There's LED lights and all sorts of gear in the ceiling there. There's going to be a battery set up in there, chargers, DC chargers, that sort of stuff. This one here behind me is a full resheet, so it's had damage on this side and the other side as well. This is all the new cladding and we're just in the process of doing the final fittings like lights and trims. Over this side here, we've got this pop top that's had a massive amount of work done to it. Currently the whole rear wall's been taken out of it. It's had a bit of water damage through it, so there's new framing being built for it. It'll be all brought up back to new and refitted. The sides off that one as well, yeah, it's going to be resheeted. Over here, the roof's being resealed on that. That's had a few leaks coming through into the ceiling. So all the seals on top of the roof are being redone and that'll stop all the leaks coming in. Over here, this one's had the awning fly off it. It's a good lesson to keep your awning tied down, especially in wild weather. So the awning came off this and went over to the other side, doing all sorts of damage. We're replacing bits of the roof sheeting up there. So this is all the silver colour, which looks pretty cool. And the awning swung all the way down here and hit down here somewhere, so that those panels have been replaced too. Next one over here, Crusader. This has had a massive impact. So like, this was a smooth-sided van and there was a huge ding that went into this area up here, took out all the framing, the window and all the electrics inside. So all that's being rebuilt at the moment. Part of this Crusader is the overhead cupboard. So over here, the whole cupboard's being rebuilt from scratch. Doors, panels, everything, and that'll be fitted back up inside. This one here, this is a bush tracker. They're a great van, always good quality bit of gear. This has had all sorts of upgrades done to it. So up on the roof, we've got a satellite that we've fixed and upgraded. So it's now got the twin LMB and the auto skew system was fixed on it. It's got a self-fi system, which is the upgrade for the phone. So when your 4G phones got really low reception or none at all, even out in remote areas, the self-fi system will give you a massive boost and get signal where you wouldn't otherwise. And that's this black antenna up here. I hope you enjoyed the whip around today, guys. If there's anything here that you want to ask questions on, reach out and get in touch with us. And I'll leave you with this, the best tow vehicle I saw that came in today, this beautiful old Defender. Cheers.